What's going on, YouTube? This is Malad 10x Trades. Hope y'all doing okay. I'm just bringing you guys another video update on my account so far, and currently I'm up $1,000. Well, I funded this account with $1,000, and I'm just down about 90 bucks right there. I'm trying to scale this account, so this is part 2 of the series of me funding my account and scaling it with option trading. Today was Tuesday. I didn't really take a play today. I did see a setup on SPY, but I didn't really take the setup. The reason why I didn't take the setup on SPY, because the reversal happened the first hour, and I don't usually like to trade the first hour of the market. I like to wait until the afternoon because I usually trade like the weekly reversal or the monthly. And I just didn't like the setup on. I wasn't very confident, so I just didn't, take the play. Also on Monday, I took a loss, $90 hit, and if I didn't take that loss, I would have been more confident taking that setup on today. So that's what happens when you take dumb trades and you don't follow your plan. You end up not being confident with the next play. So I'm not gonna make this video too long. Just wanted to give you guys an update. So this is like day 2. I'm gonna fund my account with another 500 or probably 1,000 within 2 weeks when I get paid. But I don't want to fund it too much. I want to scale it, make money out of the market. I'll probably cap it at $2,000, and after that, I won't put any more money into it. This account is just for long term. I'm gonna have another account. I'm thinking about making this Robinhood a free-for-all account and just make it like a day trading account and have another account for swing. Maybe I'll make Robinhood as my swinging account and then having another account for just day trading and withdrawing money out of it every single week and just making this long-term swinging. I just like the platform a lot. It's very easy to use. But yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys a setup on SPY. So this is what I was looking at real quick. So I had my VWAP and double topped and it rejected. And honestly, I was hesitant to take it around this area because I thought it was going to bounce off because it was above VWAP, and I thought it was going to bounce off 672, and it ended up not bouncing off those key levels. I ended up shorting it, and then I don't know, market just felt weird. I don't want to take it, and I had another chance of taking this trade right here, and I didn't. And then over here too, I was thinking about buying calls, honestly, around this area. I reversed back, but then it came back down. But the market dropped a lot, and there is some type of demand at 668 level. There's a chance that it could go up and reverse back, and if it does, it'll probably break those highs. But I doubt it's gonna happen. I don't want to guess the market, but I'm just gonna react to the market. I don't really have a strategy. I just follow price action, volume, and supply and demand, and just look at my key levels. I don't try to complicate it too much with these indicators. Nowadays everyone is using them, which I don't like to use them. As you guys can see, my chart is very clean. I'll just use the lines, or sometimes I'll use this in this black and white, and I love having the white. I don't like having this dark, but this is like my setup. It's very simple, keep it very clean, and I try to not complicate. I use the 5-minute, 15-minute time frame, and then maybe when I set up for supply and demand, I'll use the hourly. As you guys can see, the hourly, this key level, it did hold up, so 668. Let's take a look here. So yeah, this key level, it did 669. It retraced back, it bounced, and then it made a supply at 672, and it went all the way back to 668. So there's a chance that the market can go up. But with tomorrow, the Powell speaking, I believe it's Wednesday. I'm probably not gonna take a trade until Thursday just to clean my head, and just go from there. I don't want to overcomplicate this. I just want to take it slow. I just funded this account, so I want to just slowly scale it and just focus on that. I don't want to blow or take a bad trade. I want to find an A plus setup so I can get this account to $2,000, and so that way I don't have to fund it with more money. And then And then I want to get into swing trading, you guys. I'm low key tired of like day trading. I like, you know, if you swing trade, I think you can make more money than day trading. It's a lot better. With swing trading, you're not really looking at the market. You're just setting up, like this player right here. You know, there's a demand here. You know, buy calls a week or two out, and it gives you time to like, you know, call it out. Over here, when market was consolidating, I could have swing puts a week out, and this move would have happened. I would have made my money and got out. Compared to day trading, trying to catch the move, and you can't really time the market. That's why I like swinging it, because you're not timing the market. If you're down and you're buying contract, you know, in the money, and the expiration day is far out, yeah, they're expensive, but at least you're not gonna see the volume compared to, like, you know, same day expiration. It's the price of the, you know, options going up and down, and then you're panicking, you're selling, and it's just too much. So yeah. Anyways, you guys, I'm not gonna make this video too long. I had a long day. I feel kind of sick. I had a long day at work, so I just want to come on here and just give you guys an update again. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna make another video tomorrow, and then, I'm probably not gonna take a trade, but if I do, I'll help them up. I'll see you guys. Peace out.